Alright guys, you can see your boy's just woken up. Well, not really, I've just been in bed a little bit, spent a little bit more time in bed. But guys, I'm going to be trading right now, so go ahead and check out this. So this is the trade that I'm in at the moment. I've got all my tabs open still, so it is what it is. This is a trade in EURUSD. So let's go ahead and, you know, show you guys what I'm looking at. So basically all I want is these relative equal highs. So you can see these highs right there. These highs right here, these are relative equal highs. They're very close together. So that means there's going to be money in this area up here. It's a new day now. So I've got my line. I've not put my line on, but you don't have to do this. But I like to do this because it's a new day. So let's go ahead and put on where my day starts from. So guys, you can even hear the music in the background. Even my sons, you know, of my son playing his thing. This is where the new day started. Now we've just been going sideways, sideways, sideways. My strategy is if I'm bearish, which I am for EURUSD, before I just sell, I want to see price go higher first and then drop. So, and it just means basically I can either decide to get in on the move up, and if I have time to get in on the move down. For now, I'm going to be showing you guys the move up, and that's that. So if I zoom in now, you can see what's happened here. We have a high right here, okay? Price retraced. Yeah, and then we've expanded above this high again. So this is an idle entry. When price drops into sell candles like these are sell candles. This is when I want to be looking to get active with buys. Because basically this is where mitigation is taking place. Whenever you see a drop into another sell candle and you are bullish, so for example, I'm just bullish for the morning or just for maybe an hour or so, then this is when you can get active with buys. So this is why I've bought right here. And then all I have to do now is be patient and wait for price to get to my entry. So if I zoom all the way out, you can see it's not far off. It's only about a 12 pip move. It is a scalp, and then we'll be done. So it's only about a 12 pip move. So to get to this level here, so you can see right here, my TP level is going to be at 1.0896, and I've entered at 1.0884. So that's 12 pips. My stop loss is 1.0808. So roughly about a 3 pip stop loss, going for a 12 pip move. That's a 1 to 4 hour trade. Alright guys, so just a quick update. You can see we're still just chilling. We haven't really gone anywhere, but you can see price has dropped a little bit, and it's not hit my stop loss. We're starting to move up. And guys, yeah, look guys, we're still waiting. We have to be a bit more patient. The scalp is taking a little bit longer. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and set an alarm right here. So I know when price is going to hit this level, I'd alert. When the alarm hits, then I should know that we're basically about to hit TP. And yeah, guys, I got this little line here in case I do want to hold any partials. All right, guys, I just moved, man. My sons are making so much noise. But look, guys, this is what I've done. I have adjusted my TP level, so I'm going to go ahead and show you that now. All right, guys, so now check it out. Look, these are my relative equal highs. I've got an alert here now. So when price gets here, this is where I'm going to take off 80% off the trade. And then I'm going to let the rest ride to get down to 1.0902. So basically 1.0902 sits above these relative equal highs. This is where I'm going to wait for price to get to. This is the highest I want price to get to. Now we are moving fine. You can see if I zoom into my trade, you can see it's all good. Everything's been moving fine. It did spend a little bit of time here. But as you guys can see, it didn't stop me out. And now we're pushing up higher. Okay, look how close we are to these relative equal highs now. So if I just zoom out and everything, there we go, zoom out. We're so close to these relative equal highs right here. So this, for me, just means I should be patient and wait for price to get here. All right, guys, so now what I'm doing whilst I'm waiting for this to bang and hit TP, I'm going to go ahead and make my son's food. So let's go ahead and do it. So basically what I'm going to do, guys, is I'm going to go ahead and make his oats. Then I'm going to be putting in roughly about 150 to 200 grams of milk. Let's just double check. Let's see if I get it right. I'm using one hand again, guys. One hand. Let's see. Ooh. Oh, 154. That's not bad. Let's see. We can cope with that. All right, guys. Put that in the microwave for roughly about 2 minutes. All right, guys. Here are the oats. All right, guys. So here are the oats. We're gonna go ahead and spice it up so it's actually tasty. All right, guys. So we got some Biscoff spread. Don't forget, we're still waiting for this to hit TP, guys. Don't listen. You have to keep it moving. You can't be staring at the charts all day. All right, I'm doing it all with one hand, guys. Normally I weigh this, but that is enough. Boy, let's give him a little bit more. There we go. That's enough. This guy wants to taste. This guy wants to look. Take the spoon. This guy wants to go ahead and taste the Biscoff spread like he ain't tasted it before. All right. Go ahead and mix that up. There you go. Go ahead and mix that up. Guys, the reason we do it like this is because we know how much sugar is going to be inside this roughly. Guys, it tastes just as good as the packet ones and probably even better, to be honest. you know? So this is what I was going to eat for breakfast. By the way, guys, this thing is shooting up. It's shooting up. Let's go. So right now I'm just feeding my son. Guys, look at this. This is a trade that I missed today. So I was looking for gold to run up to these relative equal highs. Just came straight out of my entry. It is what it is. You can't catch them all. By the way, guys, I've got partials ready to be taken when we run out those relative equal highs. The reason I decided to move my TP higher is because above this high, there's going to be stop losses in this area. Traders tend to put their stop losses within 10 to 30 pips of this high. So from this high to this level here, that's around 10 pips. All right, guys, we're still waiting for TP to get hit. And it is still moving. We are getting really close, but I'm going to go ahead and make myself a protein shake and have some breakfast. And for those folks wondering whether I'm in my trade on my MT4, you can see I'm in this trade right now. I'm in from roughly about the 83, under 0883, as you guys can see. It's a real account as well, so it's not fake. So going back here, so basically I have roughly about 3 more pips before I can take partials, and then I'm going to let the rest ride. Just run relative equal highs. You can see the blue line is above the relative equal highs, so this is it right here. So guys, we are roughly about 3 pips away from hitting TP, and then I'm going to be taking off partials off this trade. Then I'm going to let the rest ride to get to take profit. I've only got 15 seconds left, guys. Traders just hit TP or TP area. I'm about to close out on 80%. There we go, that's 80% close. I'm going to close out the top trades and I'm going to close out 80% of the rest of those trades. I did add on 1 more scalp, so let's go ahead and do it. Okay, guys, so you can see I've got 80% left, which is just basically a 2 lot, and then I'm going to wait for this to hit TP roughly in about 5 pips. I'm going to leave my stop loss right beneath this candlestick here at 1.0887. 0887. There you go, guys, that's the trade. I'm going to wait now. I'm going to be moving my stop loss a little bit higher because I'm not going to miss out on all those pips. In fact, you know, I'm going to leave my stop loss really high. I don't really care if it comes to take me out. 1.0896. 95. I'll move my stop loss way high now, keeping it moving. If the audio is dodged, it is the iPhone, so it is what it is, but I want to be hitting TP real soon. All right, guys, so here's part 2 of trading in the morning in the London session in the UK. So, guys, I've got my stop loss ready, so you can see roughly about 95. You can see prices done a little small retracement and we're expanding. I'm only looking for it to get to, I think, 902, 1.0902. So we're going to see how that runs. I've only had time to have a protein shake. Well, I've not even had it yet. I'm going to go and have it now. My wife is currently making my breakfast as we are speaking or as I'm recording. And yeah, guys, it's only a few more pips. I know some of you are going to be like, oh, what's the point of doing this for another 6 more pips? It's just maximizing my running position. That's all it's doing. All right, guys. Oh, look at that. My battery's about to die now. So how much percent have I got? I've got roughly about 10%. But anyway, guys, look at this. Yeah, it's still going sideways. Nothing's changed. I've got my breakfast now. I've had my protein shake. For those wondering what I'm eating, I've been bacon, scrambled egg with spinach and chicken sausages. All right, guys, and just like that, I've been stopped out. Rest of the trades. There you go. Let's go ahead and put my executions on so you guys can see it. You can see this is where I entered, this is where I took TP, and this is where my trade got stopped out in profit.